RAKBANK Air Arabia Platinum Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're an Air Arabia traveller looking to manage your credit card, the RAKBANK Air Arabia Platinum app promises convenience and rewards, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is easy account management. Most people get this wrong by thinking airline credit cards only track points. The app allows you to view transactions, check available balance, pay bills, and manage your card limits from your phone. Integration with Air Arabia Miles makes tracking your travel rewards straightforward, so you always know how close you are to free flights or upgrades. Rewards and offers are also convenient. The app displays ongoing promotions, bonus miles, and partner offers, helping you maximize your card benefits. Alerts for transactions and upcoming payments enhance security and help prevent missed due dates, which is crucial for managing credit responsibly. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app can be slow during peak times, and detailed statements may require logging into the full online portal. Also, customer support through the app can feel limited compared to calling the bank directly, especially for urgent travel-related issues. In conclusion, the RAKBANK Air Arabia Platinum app is ideal for travellers who want easy access to account management and rewards tracking. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines most banking tasks, heavy users or those needing detailed statements may still prefer the full website. For anyone looking to manage an airline credit card efficiently and stay on top of rewards, this app delivers convenience, security, and practical tools for your financial and travel needs.